I know, but I'm just letting you know. It is snowing. I'm eating cold pizza. It's good pizza.
That car spin like bananas.
Alright, we're going through the phones.
My name is Dominique. I'm calling from Indiana.
So what do you think?
I think that she shouldn't have outed him. I don't think that was her business to out him. If he wanted to tell people, he would have told them when he was alive. Now that he's dead, the secret should have been dead with him. I don't think anybody should have told his secret but him.
Yeah. Hey man, thanks for the call. You know we appreciate it. Thank you, boss.
Thank you.
All right, Kia, you've been chomping at the bit. What do you think was?
Hell yeah, huh? What now? I can't see your face. Riding in my lane too?
No, downtown your basement. There's a pair of overalls. Like overalls, you're not selling to anymore. A perfectly good laptop that hasn't sat in your lap in months. Still your job? Well, you really have both. Some stuff is defined as household articles considered as a group. Sometimes the stuff is no longer needed. Wait, no longer needed? Okay, right. Because remember those jobs you're looking for? Those are really needed. They're the stuff inside your stuff. Even inside that winter coat that moves you through the Phoenix. Our job is to unlock those jobs. And it's
From the lights.
A baby cat will be a saber to a tiger. Will be kind of.
Not really. I am at home now, and it is covered in snow. I'm gonna close the door because I can't be playing that leaving my door open stuff. Not here. Not in this city. Something that I can't play. Sorry that it was for a couple seconds. Anyways, I'm gonna let my cats out and maybe finish some homework. I'm not exactly sure if I have school tomorrow. I mean, I don't know yet. I don't know, probably, I don't know, before the end of the night or earlier tomorrow morning. But I didn't introduce the vlog or anything. This is just, I was just showing off the snow and everything. But anyways, I'm Empress T, and I'll see you later. I will come back to you probably around, I don't know, it's a video, so you won't know what time it is unless I tell you. So, I mean, peace. Yeah, wait, I'm gonna show you my cats first. This is Violet, eager to get out. Probably because it's cold, because it's snowing, and this is the basement. Kitty cat! Kitty cat! Kitty cat! Kitty kitty! Kitty kitty! Are you down there? I hear a meow, but it don't sound like it's coming from out there. That might be from the other cat. Like it's coming from in the other room. Kitty kitty! Kitty kitty, come upstairs. There you are. Hey girl. How you doing? How you doing, gal? Oh, you want to be pet? I gotta take off these nasty school clothes and then we can play, okay? Alright. I take off these nasty school clothes. Violet, the bad one. Oh no, I left the freaking bathroom open, so he probably been in here trying to drink toilet water. What cat does that? I mean, I don't know. Cats probably do it. It's more associated with dogs. Alright, well, like I said, I'll see you in a little while. I'll probably film when I get my stuff out to do my homework and study, because it's final week. We get out this week. which is the week of, this week started with, I think, December the 11th. So right now it's the 13th. And I do have to go back to school on the 18th for like one exam, and then I'm done. So this is like my start of Vlogmas. I decided to start early because the snow is crazy. I'm starting Vlogmas when I get out of school because my schedule is super busy. So that's why like I decided to start like now, because my real schedule is like, my school schedule is like crazy. So now that school is about to be over, I can do the whole Vlogmas thing. So peace. Sorry, I'm like really awkward. I'm trying to explain things. Alright, bye. My face is way too zoomed in. Sorry about my hair. Late at night. Plus, it was like this earlier because it was snowing, and you know, if you got the natural hair, you know, need water to get the curls popping, and it's like really cold, and I do not want to put my scalp through that and then catch a cold, so I didn't do my hair. Anyways, I am now doing my studying because I have finals. I'm just really annoyed with school right now. I'm in my last year, but I'm totally annoyed. I wish I could do something other than school. It's not that I'm lazy and I just don't want to do the work. It's just I'm tired because it's like really hard. And it's been hard for me. I mean, I moved 3 times this semester. I know it may seem extreme. I mean, I'll explain it in a later video because right now I don't want to get into that. But now I'm just on my computer about to study for math and then also criminology because I have an exam for that tomorrow. So I'll see you before I go to bed because this isn't going to be that interesting anyway. It's not going to get like semi-interesting until next week. Or I'm saying semi because, honey, I don't know if I'm an interesting person. I'm not sure. But anyways, peace. See you at bedtime. That sounds wrong.